Let's look at this through a company, let's say ABC company, with 5 dedicated CAD designers and 5 other users made up of 1 manager, 1 person from purchasing, a salesperson, and 2 people on the shop floor. PDM Standard could be an excellent starting point for the 5 CAD designers. Managing CAD data with versions and revisions and having better visibility on their status would be great. It would be a stretch to get the other departments benefiting from the system on their data, but accessing the CAD data and all the metadata within them could be a significant benefit. The initial software costs are relatively low because PDM Standard is included with your SOLIDWORKS Professional and Premium. $2,500 in software would outfit the 5 other users from the other departments to give them this access. PDM Standard, PDM Professional, and SOLIDWORKS Manage all need to be configured and implemented. And your workforce also needs both administrative and user training to ensure you are getting the most out of your investment. PDM Standard average services around $7,000. So your first year cost would be just under $10,000. The ongoing subscription cost for the additional PDM software for those other departments would be around $600 year over year. PDM Professional has increased software costs as it is not included with your SOLIDWORKS Professional and Premium. Implementation and training costs are a little higher because now you are getting into multiple workflows and more file types and more automation. These services average around $10,000. The project cost would come in then around $40,000 for this team, with an annual software increase of $5,200 year over year. SOLIDWORKS Manage has higher software costs again, remembering that this cost includes both SOLIDWORKS PDM and Manage together. With more functionality comes more configuration and implementation time. However, with the Javelin Manage Foundation service, we've been able to pack a ton of value. So a typical project cost of $65,000 will give you a great starting point with SOLIDWORKS Manage. The year-over-year software subscription for this team would be around $8,500. The 3D Experience Works platform is a different ballgame. It is a native cloud solution and is a SaaS model, or software as a service. This means that the licenses are named user and need to be bought for everyone accessing the system. Unlike PDM solutions, which can be shared or are concurrent usage licenses. So the platform is the same price year over year. This means a much lower upfront cost. Since the platform offers great out-of-the-box functionality, the implementation and training costs are much lower. For the ABC company, this solution would have a project cost of around $18,000 and a year-over-year cost of around $15,500. Now that we have an idea of the costs involved for each solution, let's put them into perspective regarding the savings and productivity gains or the return on investment that you can expect. PDM Standard, this is a low-cost investment, but affects a much smaller percentage of your company. On average, the implementation of PDM Standard, you can expect an average of 6 to 8 month return on your initial investment. PDM Professional, this is a larger upfront cost. However, because it affects the entire company, the returns are far greater. So on average, we typically see a return on this investment of 8 to 10 months. SOLIDWORKS Manage, again, like PDM Professional, the software and implementation costs get another bump up. And again, we are affecting more people and departments, automating more processes and procedures. So the return is on average only 10 to 12 months. The 3D Experience platform has a much lower initial cost. However, the limited configurability and automation and limited integration to other business systems, we set the typical ROI at around 10 to 12 months. Its real strength is cloud-based accessibility and excellent collaboration tools. It also has other technologies that can help with so many different aspects of your organization. So how much is your current data management costing you today? Go and take account of all the lost productivity and lost revenue from the many manual and repetitive processes you use today. Check on the amount of scrap from costly errors that make it to the shop floor. Status quo is always easy to fall back to. Doesn't mean it's the right answer. Invest in your company. Ensure your most valuable asset is protected and that you squeeze every ounce of value out of it. Watch your productivity go up and your teams work more cohesively. As you can see, the more data and people you connect, the more significant the returns will be. Lastly, no matter where you might want to start today, these solutions allow you to grow within each solution as well as across these solutions. If you have any questions and want to find out more information, please visit our website and reach out to talk to our knowledgeable staff.